Part of the Wild Atlantic Way route, Downpatrick Head is the perfect place for a coastal walk, bird watching and cliff fishing. The name Downpatrick is derived from a time when St. Patrick himself founded a church here. At this small peninsula, you can see the ruins of the church building, a stone cross and holy well here today. This was once a popular pilgrim destination. Downpatrick Head became a lookout post during World War II. During that time, the Irish government had declared that the state would remain neutral. A series of lookout posts were erected around the coastline, connected by telephone, to monitor and report all sea traffic to the Irish Coast Guard. The broken fort, sea stack and the surrounding cliffs were formed around 350 million years ago, when sea temperatures were much higher and the coastline at a greater distance away. It's standing over 50 meters in height and situated 80 meters off Downpatrick Head. The surface of the pillar contains the ruins of an ancient residence which once had a land bridge forming part of its fortification. In 1393 the land bridge which joined the pillar and the mainland was washed away during a hurricane. As a result, a number of families were isolated but eventually rescued using ship's ropes. The sea stack is one of the most photographed cliff areas in Ireland. A note of caution should be stated as the cliffs are extremely high with no barrier protection to preserve the natural views. Children should be held onto at all times. Enjoy the rest of the video and thanks for watching.